we just finished our show. This is Julie. I don't know if we've introduced her yet. She's part of Gryffindor. Our next show, Slytherin, Puff. Our next show is not September. Just December 19th at the Pyramid Scheme. We're gonna see what everyone's doing. Come Hufflepuff.
All right, guys.
Are you naked?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Can we wrap this up?
Okay. Okay. So we're all getting together.
Julie, I keep forgetting you're a woman. I'm just used to hang out with bros.
I'm just adding yes. Okay. So
December 19th at the Pyramid Scheme in Grand Rapids, Michigan.
yes.
It's gonna be a fun time.
Yeah. Anti-Ghost is playing. What's their name?
Eye Candy.
Eye Candy. I know it's Candy. Jeffrey.
Kyler, getting undressed now.
Oh God. We're all just getting naked. Just because how we are with Deadlight holiday. We're all just dressed.
I don't know what to do.
At least take my coat off.
Right? Okay, guys, full Monty. I don't know. I've never seen the movie from the 90s.
Oh, hi, Mom. I love that movie.
We should have really hit stop a while back, but this is fun.
This is the
It really is.
Not gay unless you guys make it.
I have to censor this and stare at your Johnsons for hours.
We will cut off your Johnson.
Hang on.
We will cut off your Johnson.
Hang on. Should we do another one so we have
I can see your balls, like literally, it's like eye level. I can't look away.
Hang on. Just let me know when you're going to start talking and then I'll let it flow.
I'll let it flow. Joey, what are your words of wisdom in life? Yes. She fell. You're high as a kite.
If you're not showing, you ain't growing it. All right.
Is it growing? I don't know.
I can make it.
You know, at a certain point in time in this band's history, he got me banned for us showing his nipples, and now we're on to dicks and Johnsons.
God damn it! That's my jacket. You son of a bitch!
What do you mean? You gotta grab it. Oh, my wiener. Oh, my wiener. My wiener. What are you doing to me? What? I'm sorry you guys gotta sing it. I'm like, where'd my clothes go? Guys, come on. Can you help me?
We love you the same, Joey. We love you the same. Here you go. Here's a pillow. This is a pillow that has touched many orifices and not orifices. So, Joey, are you single?
No.
Because we're dating.
No. I have a girlfriend that loves me very much.
Yeah, I know. So, with that being said, we are Deadlight Holiday.
I love you.
Guys.
December 19th. I got it that time.